Hello everyone, thank you for checking out this video. You are with Coach Tianyu from Terry Chiu Academy. Right now, we are going to solve this question together. So let's take a look. The question is asking us to evaluate 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square, so on and so forth until we add 101 square. So there's some sort of a pattern going on here, right? We're basically alternating between minusing and adding of square numbers. So it's minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And the pattern goes on. So let's think to ourselves. Is it feasible for us to calculate each square number and then do the additions and subtractions manually? No, right? That would literally take us forever. So like any other pattern question, there's probably some pattern that we need to figure out over here. And if we figure that pattern out, we should be able to get the answer for this question very quickly. So let's start. I'm going to start listing the first few terms of this question. So I start with 1 square, right? That's just equals to 1. And from there on, I'm going to continue. I'll take 1 minus 2 square. That will give me negative 3. And I'll go on some more. Negative 3 plus 3 square now. That would give me negative 3 plus 9, which is going to give me 6. And we're going to keep going for 2 more lines, just so it will be easier to see the pattern. We'll take 6 minus 4 square, which is 6 minus 16, and that gives me negative 10. Finally, last line, negative 10 plus 5 square, that would be negative 10 plus 25, which would give me 15. Now, I want us to pay attention to these numbers right here, basically the answers. Paying special attention to the positive numbers. So that is 1, 6, and 15. So far, if we look at our results, that doesn't immediately seem to be some super clear pattern, right? However, let's look at 6 and 1 first. What's the difference between these two numbers? That's 6 minus 1, right? Which gives me 5. So, if I want to get from 1 to 6, I can technically say I did this. Plus 2, plus 3. I'm putting that in quotation marks because we didn't actually do that. However, if I took 1 plus 2 plus 3, I'll actually get 6 as well. So it's equal, right? So maybe we're onto something. So let's look at 15 and 6 now. The difference, 15 minus 6, which is 9. And if I wanted to get from 6 to 15, technically I could also say it's a plus 4 and plus 5. Once again, quotation marks, because did we actually do plus 4 plus 5? No. But would that give me the same answer? It would. So, I think it's pretty safe to say 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square, so on and so forth. I can actually rewrite the question as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way until 101. And would that give me the same answer as my question? It would, right? Since the pattern clearly seems to suggest that. Okay, so cool, we found out the pattern. Can we easily calculate 1 plus 2 all the way until 100? Yeah, we can, right? We simply use the Gauss sum method. So quick revision on that. How do we do it? We take the first number, which is 1, plus the last number, which is 101, put them in a bracket, and multiply the total numbers. So from 1 to 101, how many numbers are there? 101 numbers, so we times that. And we take the whole thing divided by 2. I'm going to rewrite this slightly. This becomes 102 times 101 divided by 2. And I'm currently going to split this fraction up like that. That will give me 102 over 2 times 101. That would be equals to 51 times 101. We're really near to our answer already, guys. So how can I possibly rewrite this? I can rewrite this as 51 times 100 plus 51. that would give me 5,100 plus 51, meaning my final answer would be 5151. So, as we can see, we found the pattern, and the pattern actually makes the question super straightforward. Even if it wasn't super obvious at the start, because if we look at this, the question does look quite daunting, right? After we found the pattern, the question becomes really doable. So, that's all there is for this question. We have now completed this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Goodbye and see you again in another lesson.
If you would like to learn more from these tutorials, please smash that like and subscribe button.